Hello everyone and welcome. As you can see in front of me is a pile of now overripe bananas that no one wants to eat. And from them I will make 3 types of cake. I will make muffins, banana bread and bundt cake. I am preparing one base measurement for 1 cake. For it we need 2 medium-sized bananas like these. Even though I am making 3 cakes, I will show you the measurement for 1. So when you choose which one to make, it will be easier for you. Now once you mash the bananas well like this, pour in 100 grams of melted butter and mix slowly. Along the way, add 2 whole eggs. Instead of butter, you can use margarine, and I have also made it with oil. I pour in 50 milliliters of milk. Here, I measured out 120 grams of sugar. You can add less or more as desired, depending on how sweet you like it. Keep in mind that ripe bananas are sweet. The riper the banana, the sweeter it is. Now add just a little, about 3 to 5 grams of baking powder. 3 to 5 grams of baking soda. And I will add about 20 grams of powdered sugar. Vanilla sugar, sorry. Mix it. And then I add flour. Add 200 grams of soft flour. When all the ingredients are combined, the cake batter is ready. The preparation is very quick and simple. If you don't have milk or someone can't use it, you can omit it, but then reduce the flour by 20 grams. As for preparing the cake batter, that's it. Done. Pour the entire cake mixture onto the bread-lined baking tray and let it rest until the oven heats up to 180 degrees Celsius. Immediately after, make the same measure for the second cake. When making a triple measure like this, I usually prepare everything together, then divide it into 3 parts. But this time I'm making it separately for the video. Into each muffin cup, put 2/3 of the cake mixture. Then poke a cube of milk chocolate into each. Prepare the third cake as well. Repeat the exact same process, only with one small change at the end. Into this bundt cake mixture, add 200 grams of ground walnuts. You can add any kind of nuts and you can use less walnuts. But then reduce or increase the amount of flour. When I add 200 grams of ground walnuts, then only 100 grams of soft flour is enough for me. Grease the baking pan with a bit of oil, dust with flour, and remove the excess. And now pour in the entire mixture. Smooth it out and let it set until the muffins are baked. The banana bread is baked. Baking time is 40-45 minutes. The muffins are also baked. Baking time is about 25 minutes. The bundt cake is baked as well. Baking time is about 55 minutes.